Hi everyone, welcome for joining us at Certified Supplier Initiative Dongguan Factory Tour. I am your host, William B. Frazier. Certified Supplier Initiative was launched by China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. We evaluate toy and baby products based on 5 criteria: product safety, safety assurance, specified standards, self-export capabilities, and social responsibility for you, the customer, to help you find better suppliers in China. Today we're in Dongguan, in the toy and baby product manufacturing hub of China. We're going to visit Intex to get a better look at their Certified Initiative program, so you can customers get a better idea of their capabilities. So let's go take a look. We're now inside the Intex workshop assembly line. Intex has supplied a lot of these products on a global scale throughout the years. They have also invested in recent years to make sure that they have the proper automation equipment, better producing goods such as automatic sealing machines, robotic arms, automatic spray line, so they can offer very quality products to their customers. Here at the assembly line of a particular product, which is the Alibaba Camel, you can see that the employees put great emphasis on being very detailed with the certain parts of the machine, of toy that they have to address. With the high standards that Intex applies, such as standards as EN71, ASTM, you can see that they pay great detailed attention to what they're doing. The employees here are very diligent in the efforts that they're providing the right type of technique to make that the product is suitable for the open market. As a certified supplier with China Toy and Juvenile Product Association, you can see Intex not only meet, but they also exceed the quality standard that is necessary to make sure they have something that's suitable for the children and for the marketplace, so people can enjoy the type of services again. Again, we're here at the Intex workshop assembly line, and you can see the very good work that they're putting on this particular product here. Welcome to Intex showroom. As a certified supplier attaches great importance to product safety and quality management system. Their products meet great superior products at a competitive price. Here in the showroom, we're going to show you some products that not only comply with international standards, such as EN71 or ASTM, we're going to show you products that have stood the test of time. So for example, you have a lot of products here that have been around just as long as the factory has been here, like the Alibaba Camel, for instance. We talked about the Alibaba Camel when we seen the assembly and production line. But here, as part of the Certified Supplier Initiative, you can see that Intex has put great work in caring to the products that they provide. It's having the multiple types of certifications that they meet, not just on the domestic market, but as well as on international standards, shows that this company has the track record and the know-how to exceed all expectations. So as we walk through the showroom, you can see the different products that I enjoyed growing up as a kid that they have here as well. For instance, you have like the backgammon game, Mao Jiao, which I'm trying to learn how to play in China. And you also have like the Brain Masters and all other types of games. You have the Sound Bingo and all the types of toys that you have. And these types of toys come from the new type of equipment that they've developed throughout the years, the new type of equipment that they bring into the company to better produce better quality products. Also, you can see that they have an old childhood rhythm and rhyme game, I guess you could say. Its name is like Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall, Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. So you have something like this. But anyway, you can see that Intex is ahead of the curve, always being innovative in the type of products that they provide, not only just for children, but for as well as adults to enjoy. Okay, we're back at Intex showroom, and I'm here with Celine, the Assistant General Manager of Intex Toys. And Celine, how are you doing?
I'm good. How about you?
Fine. Pleasure to meet you.
Me too.
Right. I want to ask you a couple of questions, okay? Is it okay with you?
Okay.
How long has your company been involved in the toy and baby product industry?
Oh, already over 50 years. Start from my grandfather, and then my dad with my uncle involved that industry over 30 years. Then I came here.
Mm-hmm.
And I just started 3-4 years.
Started 3 or 4 years ago, right?
Yeah, but I know that industry from when I was a kid.
You from childhood, you grew up in the industry, right?
Yeah.
But since you grew up in the industry, what do you see as the future development of this industry?
So I thought we need to bring more new machine automated things to helping us to producing more quality products, and then we keep training our staff, for keep them skilled
Okay.
for producing.
Now, on the quality part, what do you think are the important criteria to maintain the high level of quality that your company has?
First of all, our company have to have our own quality control systems, and then we keep to asking other company to inspection our products, and we got different license and certificate for our products.
So when you mention license and certificates, is that for just domestic market or for international market?
For both.
For both?
Yeah.
For example, what type of companies have given you some type of awards?
Like ICTI, now they changed the name called IETP.
Okay.
And also BSCI. And also we got the CQC for the domestic market.
Okay. Okay, so you have capability to not only providing products for the domestic market, but also for your international market as well.
Yeah.
Right. So good. Celine, I want to thank you again for taking the time out and to inviting us into your family's business here at Intex Toy in Guangdong Province as part of the Certified Supplier Initiative through China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. And again, we want to thank you all for visiting and following us on this program. However, if you want to get in contact with Celine, you can do so. However, you can also contact us, and we can be able to get in contact with them to better serve you with your inquiries about the products that they have here at Intex. How's that?
That's good.
All right, thank you.